Hi, Jello here. And samahan niyo ako sa aking another vlog as a sound tech ng Magnus Haven. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So me and the crew traveled from Manila to Bukidnon for about 5 hours. It was a quite long travel but it was fun. Upon reaching the venue, we already proceeded to our sound check. And as you can see, kung ano-anong trip mga ginagawa nila.
Ganda ng cake mic mo ah.
Before doing a sound check, we gotta make sure that our guitar is well maintained and the strings are fresh. Let's see the results. And of course, don't forget our cable management. Let's check the tone.
So, in our case, okay na yung cleans natin. So, medyo matalas lang. So, bawas tayo ng treble. Yeah, bawas na. We need more oomph. So, we need to add the bass. And medyo need natin siya mag-cut through sa mix at tayo na middle. So, pag nakita nyo okay na yung clean tone ninyo, you'll get a wonderful result sa inyong distortion. So, check natin siya sa sound check later.
So, ganito yung naging tone niya sa live and enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need my sound tech services, just hit me up on my messages. I can offer you a fair rate. See you soon!